Alright, so guys, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful tool for YouTube views. Yes, and specifically if you want to grow your YouTube watch hours, then I'm going to recommend this tool to you. You know, there are so many tools that most of them are bots. You understand? Most of them are fake views and all that. But I'm going to show you an organic one that you are going to love. And the tool that I'm going to introduce you to is YT Love. And this is YT Love, and it works only on Android phones. It doesn't work on iPhones. So let's quickly go to YT Lab. So when you come to YT Lab, you create a normal account like any app will do, which is you use your Gmail account to create. And trust me, it works very well. I've been using it for 1 or 2 videos. Yes. So when you come to watch on the YT Lab, you come to watch. What YT Lab usually does is it has people just like you that you downloaded the app. You understand? And what it is doing is that you watch the videos of people. Then whilst you watch the videos of people, they credit you with points. You understand? They credit you with points like this. You understand? So whilst you watch the videos of people, you see it is going to credit you with points like this. Then you use the points to also campaign yours for people to watch. You understand? So when you campaign yours, bots are not going to watch the video. The same way you are a real person, you watch someone's video that you had a point. You can use that same point to campaign yours. Then people will also watch yours to get points. So simple, and it's very nice. So it's very organic. You understand? It is a system connecting the people who needs views, and at the same time, as you want others to do for you, you also do to you do for people. You understand? However, this is random people. You cannot select who to watch your video, whether from India, whether from Ghana, whether from America. You cannot select anyone. It's random people. So when you are selecting a type of video to campaign, be very strategic about that. I'm going to show you how you are going to be strategic about that. So this is what we do. So you see, this video, they said if I watch this video, it's 59 seconds. If I watch this video, I'm going to get 48 points. You understand? So let's quickly watch this video. Let's watch the video. You have to watch to the end, because if you don't watch to the end, you are not out. What is happening? YT Love. Yeah, maybe I have to.
Party ready. Party ready, but hair on point नहीं है. उसके लिए I have a solution. Presenting Indica Easy Shampoo Hair Color. इसमें 100% grey coverage मिलता है, rich color जो long lasting है, और हाँ, no ammonia. So hairs are sorted. सिर्फ कट करो, pour करो, and shampoo की तरह apply करो. Gloves are must. इसका application super easy है, and the best part, it only takes 10 minutes. So my hairs are party ready. Available on Amazon, Flipkart, Zepto, Blinkit, Swiggy, and local store.
Hello and welcome to this episode of The Inner Estate with your host, Bridget Stewart. I have an incredible guest today, Mr. Ryan Wimpy. Ryan, thank you for being our guest today.
Bridget, thank you so much for having me on.
I got to tell you, you're one of the guests I'm most excited about because I am a dog fanatic and I also like people. And you happen to work with both. So you have created this business where not only are you a world-class dog trainer.
We are done watching the video, and you said you earn 48 points. You understand? It is going to add to the points over here. You understand? It is really going to add to the points over here. Then you see, you accumulate more. You try to accumulate more points. You understand? So the more you watch the video seconds, the more you get points. And you cannot pause the video. If it's 176 seconds, you have to watch to the end, or else unless you close the app. If you watch to the end, they assure you are going to give this to you, and you are going to get it, because that's what I did to get these points. You understand? Yes. So that is how it literally works. Now, you can also set to autoplay. You understand? For example, autoplay like this, and you put your phone somewhere. So whilst it watches the video, it's fairly slow. It watches the video, it's fairly slow. Remember, it has some ads on it, but it's just very short, so don't worry about that too much. So when the ads comes, you can quickly just find a way to close the ad. You understand? So let's watch this video. This is 56 seconds. You understand? So after watching the video, yeah, now we are done. You can change. You understand? You can change the video you want to watch. If the video is too long for you, you can just click on change. Now for subscribers, you can also subscribe, but this one they said they are going to use your YT account. That is what makes it real. You can't just subscribe without an account. You understand? So it means that you are going to subscribe to someone's account. So if you don't like this account, you just change it. If you don't like this account, you just change it. You see, they are real people. You just change it. If you like this account, you subscribe. You understand? You just keep on subscribing. Yes, the more you subscribe, but you have to watch 60 seconds of the video before you subscribe. That is what makes it real. And the moment you click on it to watch the video, it will automatically send you to your YouTube platform with your official account. You understand? That is what makes it real. And the same thing somebody will do for you. You understand? So let's assume that we finished accumulating our points. We finished accumulating our points over here. You understand? And then what we want to do next is you can also look for likes the same way. You understand? So if you want to do campaign, you come to campaign. You understand? Now you click on ad. You understand? And when you click on the ad campaign, what do you want? Do you want views? Do you want YouTube subscribers? Do you want likes? You understand? So if you want subscribers, it means you are campaigning your video for subscribers. Then you select the number of subscribers you want and the required time you want them to watch your video, and that is going to cost you 2,600 points. And I have 20,600 points, so I can even request right now, but I don't need it right now. So likes too, you can also request for it. There are people going to do that for you, but you have to be strategic about that. But for me, what I'm mostly interested in is not the subscribers, because the subscribers are mostly general people with different interests. So it's going to affect your algorithm. Unless you are doing general topics you think everybody will like it, then I think subscribers will be good for you and the likes will be good for you. But for me, since I'm looking for views and specifically watch time, maybe I'll go to views. And since I'm looking for watch time, the number of views, I can make it 25, because I don't want a lot of audience that I don't want to be on my channel, but I just want them to watch it for a long time. So maybe I can just select 25 people and make sure. But they said you have to add the video link here, the video you want to campaign. You have to bring the link here. Assuming I have a link here, let me just copy one of my video links over here. And let's say, assuming I want to campaign for this video, I just paste the link here. I click on add. You understand? It will load the video. Yes, very good. Assuming I want to campaign for this video, the reason I'm doing this for this video, because this video is for general audience. You understand? It's for general audience, because, and you know, Indians will be watching, people from Nepal will be watching, people from different countries will be watching. That is a trending news. So even if they watch it, it is not going to affect my algorithm. That is why I'm using this. So this campaign, what I'm going to do is I want number of views for it. You understand? So number of views, I want more watch time, not the number of views. I don't want more people. So even if I want about, let's say, I'll select about 60 people. You understand? Select about 60 people. No, 50 people. You understand? Number of views, 50. You can see it here. Let me show you. Number of views here, 50 people. You understand? And the required time, I'm going to use a lot of time to do this. You understand? They should watch it for very long time. And truly, they will watch it for you. You understand? Because if they don't watch it, their campaign will not be successful. So if they cancel it, the system, the app will recommend it to another people. You understand? People who are willing to watch it for a very long time. And since the person has set it to auto, it doesn't matter. The person has even left the phone somewhere and it is watching. And trust me, it is purely organic. You understand? So for example, if I come to required time, I will make sure I select more. So the more I select, the more I pay number of points. So 210, they should watch it for 210 seconds. Now let's see, I want 240. No, I still have more money, more points to pay. So you understand? So it's totally free. And you don't need to pay anything. You understand? I want more people to watch, still I can pay. So you see, still I can pay 19,500. That is points. You understand? But I have 20,000, so maybe let me increase it a little to see. It's more than it. So maybe I can campaign or here. So it means that 50 people are going to watch the video and they are going to stay long for 390 seconds. Let's do a quick calculation of how many watch hours we are going to get after this campaign. Okay, and after that I will show you how much we got. You understand? So let's say after this campaign, 50 people will watch for 390 seconds. 390 seconds. That is 19,500 seconds. Assuming we want to bring it to minutes. You understand? So if 66 seconds is equals to 1 minute, then it means we have to divide by this. Then it means we are going to get 325 minutes. And how many hours are we going to get? Okay, we are going to get 5 hours on top of this. That is cool. That is not bad. But in case maybe, so you just click on create campaign. You understand? Create campaign. Are you sure you want to create a campaign? Yes. So we create campaign. Your campaign has been created. So 312 points and 390 seconds. So you see I still have 1,000 points over here. The points has been deducted automatically over here. You understand? Now let's see. One other feature that it has is that if you want to get more points, someone may ask, can you even buy the points at all? Yes, of course. You can buy the points if you want. You understand? If you want it to go faster for you, you see, if you come here, you see, buy points, become a VIP member, shake and win. It has all these features there where you can use to get a point. So buy points is over here. And you can see, you can buy 3,000 points for just not even up to cents. You understand? So this one is like 10,000 points is just like $1. Yes, 10,000 points here for 24,000 Vietnam dollars. It's not even up to $1. You understand? So $1 can even buy you 10,000 points. So assuming that we use 20,000 to get 5 hours, it means that $2 can get you the 5 hours. You understand? $2 can get you the 5 hours. And it means that if $2 can get you the 5 hours, then $4 can get you 10 hours. You understand? 10 hours, which is organic. And if $4 can get you 10 hours, then it means that $8 can get you how much? Do the calculations and let's go. Can get you 20 hours. You understand? Yes, and so on. $8 can get you 20 hours. So that's it. Yes, in case you like this video, just like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to bring you more updates in case I get, I don't usually post videos, but when I post videos, it's a key. I told you, if I post a video, then it's a key. So subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.